I trade my soul for some gas. Cause we're on E. Ripped jeans and the gas was showing. I don't want your orange bucket! Met you. And this is crazy, but can you buy me some gas? Cause I'm real crazy.
And I am on empty.
At you, baby. But if you have gas,
then maybe I can have some.
Cause I'm on empty. You're a dumbass. And this is the line for some gas. You took your time with the gas. And I was like, you're in my way.
And then you pulled down the covers and I said, well, this smells certainly like a Dutch oven. And I just...
But I'm like, bitch, get out the way. That's my guess where you think you're going? This is crazy. So fuck you, maybe. At your baby. Cause this is the line. So get behind me.
You ain't gonna cut me off, oh, not today, B.
Not today.
Maybe.
We're on empty. So let me get in front of you, cause we're on empty.
Give me some ecstasy, cause I'm tired of waiting on empty. And I want it, but it's not the kind of ecstasy I wanted.
This is not MDMA.
Chase my high all over again.
I miss my full tank so bad. So bad. It's hard to look at you cause you have fucking gas and I don't. Fuck you! Who beeped? We beeped?
Yeah, fuck you, I didn't beep. Fuck you. What about your ass?
Before I hock a Luger on your car, where the fuck are you going? Bitch!
Ding.
Oh, she's like, this is my house. Okay, never mind. Oh, no, wait. Oh, she's gonna turn around. Yeah! Now we got gas.
To the flow, make that shake. Whoa, make the ground move.
That's a full tank.
Yeah.
You know you love it. You know you love it. You know you love it. So you know you love it. So you know you love it. Love it. So go ahead and bounce.